It's Friday afternoon. The fridge is pretty empty. There is only remaining stuff from the batch cooking that I did at the weekend. So even the vegetable looks a little bit tired after 5 days. So what do I have and what can I do? I am going to make tajine, or you name it, stew, goulash, and it depends on what you like to have. I'm going to use the Hokkaido pumpkin, kohlrabi. I will use this really nice vegetable stock from Anarchy, so it's concentrated. There is only organic vegetables such as celery, leek, fennel, parsley, garlic, organic extra virgin olive oil, and organic turmeric. I buy it in Kazidome, and you can have the membership to Kazidome with the discount code that you find on my website. I'm going to use the spices for tajine because with beef and with vegetable goes really well. Paprika, so this has paprika, curcuma, cumin, cannelle, which is cinnamon, coriander, ginger, and onion. So it's a really nice organic spices, and I'm going to use garlic, which is a prebiotic and might be potentially bloating you if you have dysbiosis. And I will use onion, and I have beef. So this is about how many grams? Let me find it. This is 700 grams of beef. It's a very lean beef, but I will use it for stew anyway. And as a staple, I always have at home in different varieties. So this is like a cheapie. Usually I buy in Alnatura in glass. So it's kind of like a passata. This is actually in cubes. So tomatoes in cubes, and red lentils and cocoa milk. So you could either use the coconut milk and red lentils and, for example, pumpkin and the spices, and that would be very nice variety. But today I am going to use also leftover of red cabbage that I shredded, and that's going to be extra fiber. I will use the zucchini noodles that are going to disappear after boiling it for 1 or 2 hours. And on the top of it, I'm going to use sprouted mungo beans, which is full of enzymes, so it's like activated, and it will be the source of protein as well, and nice crunch.